Hello everybody! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from StampWithShar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Happy Wednesday, you guys! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell, that way you don't miss my next video. Today's project are these adorable little boxes, you guys. You will notice they are slightly different in size, but that's because what is in them has to be made to a different size. So I hope you're going to join me as I share with you how to create these awesome little boxes. I will have in the description below the products that I use, and if you click on any of their links, it should take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over to my website. Leave me a comment, you guys. I love hearing from you. It does make my day. So we're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on these adorable little boxes. So these are the little boxes we're making today. Now I love this designer series paper. This designer series paper is free with a qualifying order, and this is the Botanical Butterflies. How pretty. What I love about this paper is you can actually color it in. So it doesn't really matter what base you use, because no matter what, because it's in black and white, you can pretty much use any base. So I'm going to show you how we do today's boxes. Now I did say that these two boxes are different sizes, but that's because they hold different things. So in the little box, I've got this adorable little monkey. And now when I saw this, I've never seen these before, so I grabbed a whole bunch because I thought they were the cutest things I've ever seen. And yeah, so this is actually a lip balm, you guys. Now, I got these at CVS and they were $2. So really inexpensive. But again, like I say, I'd never seen such a thing before. And I just thought it was the cutest thing. And then this one, isn't that so cute? No, wait, I have more, because when I saw these, like I said, I've never seen such a thing before. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love it. So yeah, I went crazy and I bought a whole lot, because like I said, when I saw these at CVS, I was just like, oh my goodness, I need these. I need these. So I ended up buying a whole bunch. So yeah, we are going to make a little box for these guys. Now, the small box, they're both the exact same pieces of paper, they just scored slightly different. Now I will have on my website measurements and instructions for both boxes. We are going to make the larger box today. So the base is in Melon Mumbo, and this piece is cut at 4 inches by 4 inches. For our lid, this piece is cut at 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring board. I haven't used this guy in quite a while. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lid. I've got my stylus, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my base and I am just going to butt this up on the side. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the top and the bottom of your box, you want them to fit perfectly. But if you score them all the same, they're not going to fit. So you just want something butted up against you just to pop out the lid slightly. For this, we are going to score this at 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. for our base of our box, we are going to score this at 3/4 all the way around. We can now set off our scoring board to the side. We need to do some cutting. So on both these, they're going to be cut the exact same way. Now it's a little difficult to see. Let me show you on this piece. These are going to be cut the same way. Now we have this horizontal score line. So we are going to cut up all these score lines, stopping at that horizontal score line. And we're going to do this all the way around. We are now going to miter all 4 tabs, and we're going to do that all the way around. We are now going to do that with our lid, and the exact same. We are now going to fold and burnish all our score lines for our box and our lid. Once we've folded and burnished all our score lines, we are now going to close our box. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take multi-purpose liquid glue, that's my glue of choice, and I'm going to add glue on all 4 of these tabs, closing our box. Now I have some pegs. What do you call these things? We call them pegs. Clothespins, I think. Clothespins. And you're going to bring this up, lining that edge up. You're going to add a clothespin. So I'm going to do that all the way around. You are now going to repeat that with the lid. Same thing, you're going to be putting adhesive on all 4 tabs. Okay, so that is our box and lid. How cool, you guys. Love it. Oh, I also got a bee. Now, I can't find this part that goes in the bee, but isn't that cute? I love it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, you guys, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys don't miss my next videos. Thank you so much again, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.